Hello guys, Dumelang. Welcome to Sepedi Lessons with Kgarebe Mopedi. Today we are going to learn different ways of greetings in Sepedi. So Sepedi it's a broad language in which each and every tribe has different way of greeting. So there's no one word of greeting in Sepedi. If you want to say hello, you'd say dumelang, dumelang, or thobela, thobela, or rialocha, rialocha, or dameng, dameng. Also depend on where you are at the point when you greet. For instance, if you are in the northern part of Limpopo, you'll use thobela or rialocha. When you are at the southern part of Limpopo, you'd use dumelang, and so on. When you respond to a person who's saying dumelang or thobela, you'd say are, are. If you want to say how are you, you'd say ho jwang or le kae. It also depends on who you are speaking with. A younger person, you could use a singular phrase, or when you speak to an adult, you'd use the plural. And the person would respond by saying re gona le kae, which directly translates as I am fine, how are you? When you want to ask how are you doing this morning, you'd say o tsoga jwang, or le tsoga jwang, or le tsogile. And the person would say re tsogile rra lena, re tsogile rra lena. If you want to ask how was your day, you'd say le hlwele, or le hlwele jwang. And the person would respond by saying re hlwele rra lena. If you want to say good night, you'd say o robale gabotse, o robale gabotse, or le robaleng gabotse, le robaleng gabotse. If you want to ask what is your name, you'd say leina la gago ke mang, leina la gago ke mang, or ke wena mang, ke wena mang. The person would respond by saying my name is Mokgadi, for instance. Leina la ka ke Mokgadi. If you want to ask what is your surname, you'd say sefane sa gago ke mang, or o fana ka mang. This will also depend on which part of Limpopo you are at that moment. The person would respond by saying sefane sa ka ke Moroba, for instance, or ke fana ka Moroba. If you want to say nice to meet you, you'd say ke thabela go go tseba, ke thabela go go tseba. The person would respond by saying le nna go bjalo, le nna go bjalo, or le nna ke thabela go go tseba. If you want to ask where are you from, you'd say o tšwa o le kae, or le tšwa le le kae. Mind you, whenever you are speaking with an adult, you always use plural, always, to show respect. The person would respond by saying ke tswa ga sekhukhune or ke tswa sekhukhune. The ga before sekhukhune is just to show that you are referring to a place. So if you are saying ke tswa ga sekhukhune, the person would automatically know that this person is coming from a place called sekhukhune. However, the prefix ga does not apply to each and every place. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Share the link.